Before we start, hit the subscribe button if you love learning new facts. Question 1. How many hearts does an octopus have? The correct answer is option C, 3. Question 2. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years? The correct answer is option A, snail. Question 3. Which animal cannot jump? The correct answer is option C, elephant. Question 4. Which insect tastes food with its feet? The correct answer is option B, butterfly. Question 5. Which insect can recognize human faces? The correct answer is option B, honeybee. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes.